So this sill adapter has been installed right across, edge to edge. This is the retractable screen door. It's been siliconed all the way to the top. You have a 1-inch high filler piece going across to the top rail, and it's all sealed all the way down this side. Stowaway screen door. On the inside, this is where our sill adapter is, the mounting part for the 1-inch high rail going all the way across. Put in with 3 screws right across the bottom. One for the housing. We've siliconed the back so we don't see a space between here. Top housing screw, and 3 screws at the very top, right across there. And that's what our 1-inch high mounting piece is for, to have a flat perpendicular mounting surface there. And we always give ourselves 1/8 inch clearance at the very top. You will see at the very top of the door, we don't go right up there, because we do get surprises down on the sill. Sometimes the sills go up. There's something about the door, so that 1/8 of an inch space there gives us leeway. Sometimes these headers drop down, so that gives us a little bit of wiggle room. So if that was tight, we would have no room to adjust the rail where it slides onto these pull bar cap. So it has to slide perfectly right in the middle. This, for example, Stowaway has very little clearance. It's very tight fit. Other brands will have a large hole there, which can cause a pop off if somebody runs into the door. This one's much more secure, and same thing on the bottom. You can see that this one, the rail is touching the plastic part. There is no clearance there. So it's very important to have this part of the rail super clean and sprayed down with silicone, so that all the weight of this bar, which rides on here, can have that slickness to it, so there's no friction there. The top one, we'll go over that again, basically is just a guide. This is not holding the weight of the bar. This top one is just a guide. The bottom one there holds all the weight. And when we pull it over and the magnet catches in the back, we hide the magnet so that when we close it, we do not see the magnet. And this one has 2 decals on it. Bottom one for a short dog that just ran into it right after we installed it, so we decided to put 2 on there. And that's it. That's our door. Stowaway retractable screen door.